Hi, this is Professor E, and we're going to retrieve a file using Minitab. Now, as you can see, I have Minitab up on my screen. So I've gone in, I've logged into the iLab through the Citrix, and I've given it my D number and my password again. And I clicked on the green and white icon, I brought Minitab up. Now Minitab is actually on a remote server. It's not running on my computer, even though I see it. I'm remotely using Minitab, and that's all part of the thin client with Citrix. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to retrieve a file, but we have to tell Minitab where the file is because it's somewhere out in the network is where Minitab is running. It doesn't know where my computer is. It's not familiar with any of the files or drives on my computer. So we have to very carefully, step by step, go in and show Minitab where the file is on my computer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on File on the top left-hand selection with Minitab, and I'm going to go down and select Open Worksheet because I want that worksheet that we worked on last Monday night. So once we go ahead and do that, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select Computer. I select Computer, and I can see with my view right now I have 9 different drives, hard drives. They're virtual drives, they're out in the network. Some are on my computer, others aren't. But I'm going to click on my C drive, just like we did on class on Monday. When we went through this, we looked for the C drive, and I'm going to click on that C drive because that's the drive that's on my computer, and that will be the same with you. So it'll be a $C, and in parentheses it'll be / client. Will be in parentheses. It says 607 gig free out of 931 gig. Yeah, I've got a terabyte drive on there. I love it. So here I'm going to double click on that. Now all of a sudden it gives me all my folders on my C drive. And for me, I'm going to just double click on users. I double click. That's the easy thing. I see Norm. That's who I am. I'm going to double click on Norm. And now all of a sudden I can see all my different folders. I'm going to double click on desktop, all within that selection. And I can see there is a copy right there. How sweet is that? There is my copy of Excel that I downloaded from Doc Sharing. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to hit the Open key because I want to go ahead and open that, and I want to bring that into Minitab, but I had to be very careful. I had to show Minitab exactly where the file is. And you can see the hourglass. We can see where it's loading it up because it's loading it up from the network. It's taking that file off my computer and onto the network. Now it's going to ask you for permission before it does this, and you grant it, and voila, here it is. It just brought up that file. So now we can go in and we can do our exercises with Minitab. So you have to be careful. You have to realize that Minitab works remotely. It's somewhere else in the clouds. It's somewhere else, and you as a student have to tell the application where your files are. So I hope this helps. We went over this Monday night, and you can re-record this. You can see my steps, and good luck. And I wish you a happy Labor Day.